Alright, everybody is sad because grandma is gone. Sarah is sad saying grandma. Grandma and Tata is sad because grandma is gone. And Kenzo. That's okay. That's okay, you guys. You see mommy soon, okay? 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 You want to watch TV? Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm at home to dance right now. Say morning, Nanny.
Good morning.
Good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? And my battery is blinking orange. Mama Tyler would say, Mama, your battery blinking. But there's no Tyler. Tyler say good morning. That didn't work.
Somebody else is here who always want to go in the other car.
Tyler abandon us. Auntie car is behind us. Abandon us. Abandon his sister. Sarah. Say good morning, Faves. Sarah. Oi. Say good morning, Faves. Say good morning, Faves. Good girl. Anyway, you guys, the fam bam is behind us. We are heading on the road to let them see town. I think my sister-in-law has never been to Nice, right? I think she's never been to Nice, but Mama says she's been here years ago. So we're going to explore town a bit, and they're leaving later. So we're making much of the time that we have. So that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. When the sun is out, this jacket have no use to me, but when you're in the shadow, it's chilly. Anyway, you guys, have a good day and enjoy the rest of today's vlog and whatever we have to show you. So let's go to town, shall we? The fam bam walking in town. Tyler is in cousin and auntie and grandma heaven, so he's not paying you guys no mind today. Mama, Papa, Tata, cousin, Sarah, Ashenem. We are in Plasmacina right now, the famous spots in center town to take photos for tourists who comes to Nice. So if you've never seen a vlog of mine in center town before, this is what the middle of town look like. It's famous because all the buildings look like this within this space. I'll do a 360 and show you guys. That's all of them, same color, same shape, same style, with checkered tiles. Plasmacina with take time with your cousin. Stop at the boulangerie. You guys know French pastries are irresistible. I don't want a chocolate bread. If Tyler wants it, buy it. But I don't want.
You want it?
Say hello to the faves. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Oh, you have your.
For ice cream.
You're ready for ice cream. With paws on the beach and eating. I'm having chicken quiche. They're having all kind of different pastries and sandwiches. All kind of things we're having. Brother and sister. Sit. So we're at the top of the chateau in Nice, one of the most visited attraction in Nice town, and the kids stop at the park. And of course, Miss Sarah is in the mix, Kenzo is in the mix, Tyler is in the mix. There goes Sarah. There goes Sarah. Hi Sarah. And there's Tyler and Kenzo. Mama over there resting. So we're going this way, the same way we came, no? Yeah. These two is to pee in a pod with the auntie.
Non, il y a la dame là. C'est pas, bougez plus.
Not it.
Kenzo,
Say not it.
regarde-moi.
I tell her to say naughty. Kenzo say naughty.
Attends, est-ce que t'as pris la partie ou j'ai rajouté le dos? Non. Quand j'ai rajouté. Viens même.
Hein?
Je peux voir?
Gosh.
Viens. Ben viens. Voir la photo. On voit rien.
Attends.
On n'est pas dans la photo.
Viens, on se met accroupi.
Go.
Viens, Mel.
Oh, Kenzo.
Kenzo.
Est-ce qu'on peut sur un autre rajouter le dentifrice?
C'est quoi? Ajoute le dentifrice. You're too funny, no. Vite, 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 vite.
La photo avec elle.
Ok, Kenzo, allez, go, go.
Tu veux?
Attends. The kids played. They had such a good time to deserve ice cream. Waiting on ice cream face. Waiting on the ice cream? Kenzo waiting on ice cream. Guess who's sleeping? Guess who's sleeping? guess who's sleeping? You got it right, my daughter is sleeping. And everybody is gonna have drink and coffee and chill, and then we're gonna head home so the family can leave and head to their home. It's not us this time, it's them this time. Feels good to not be you to be taking that long journey, but it's always worth it anyway. Anyway guys, we're gonna enjoy these drinks and head home. Ice cream, happy
Pour
days.
même comme toi, il faut manger autant de glace.
T'inquiète, il va pas manger. Il va manger 4 cuillères, tu vas voir, il va lui
C'est vrai? Il aime la glace?
C'est la fraise.
Oui. Look who wake just in time for ice cream. The ice cream queen and shaking like. Eh, c'est bon. C'est bon, monsieur Pistache. Alright, everybody is sad because grandma is gone. Sarah is sad saying grandma. Grandma and Tata is sad because grandma is gone. And Kenzo, that's okay. That's okay, you guys. You see mommy soon, okay? 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 You want to watch TV? That's okay. No crying, you guys. That's okay, Ty. You'll see them soon again. Okay? Yes. No. Can you tell how tired we must have been at the end of that day? Oh my gosh, we were so tired. We had so much still to do at home, because bear in mind our Saturday was with the family, or Sunday was with the family, so that's it for our weekend. We didn't get to do all the things we would normally do on the weekend, but that's okay. It just means that we had a lot to do to try to catch up as close as we possibly could after everyone left. So we had a long night, a long evening. We just went and had dinner right away and jumped into all the things that were important, most important to get done. So the kids had came around after a while. They of course they stopped crying and stuff like that, but Tyler really missed, both Tyler and Sarah missed grandma. Every minute Sarah grandma left out of her sight, she started crying. Even Saturday was the same. Mommy is what they call grandma in French. So she cried and she saw when the car drove away, so she wasn't happy at all. Tyler on the other hand wasn't happy. So of course they know that they had to go, and they'll see them again soon. Just wish that mama could visit more often, and you know, but it's just one of those things. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't much, but of course we showed you what we have to show you. The rest of the week, when I say we'll be busy, I mean we'll be busy. You guys don't want to miss that. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Pam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.